Very good morning, students. Today in grammar section we will learn parts of speech. Do you know parts of speech? Let's start the parts of speech. Whatever you write or say, जो कुछ भी आप लिखते हैं या फिर बोलते हैं, is divided into 8 parts. Is called the parts of speech. इसको हमने 8 parts में divide किया गया है. वो parts of speech कहलाता है. Okay. Now let's start the name of the parts of speech. These are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. These are parts of speech. Let's start from starting noun. You know about the noun. Noun is the naming word. Naming word को noun कहते हैं. या फिर whatever you see around you is called the noun. जो कुछ भी आपको अपने आंखों से दिख रहा है, okay, just like chalk, pencil, book, bench, desk, fan, mobile, these are nouns. Okay. Second example is definition. Noun is used. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. Person, place, animals को हम क्या कहते हैं? Noun कहते हैं. Understood? चलिए अब आते हैं सेकंड टॉपिक, pronoun. Pronoun क्या होता है? Pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Noun के जगह पे जो word यूज होता है इस word noun. Start करते हैं एग्जाम्पल से. First phrase it is Ram is playing game. Okay. In this sentence, Ram is a noun. When he is playing cricket. Instead of Ram, I use he is the pronoun. Understood? Now the adjective. Adjective is a word which describes the noun. Describe करता है जो noun को, वो हमारा adjective होता है. For example, two old man, yellow dress, black chalk, blue pen, or many things which describe the noun is called adjective. Okay. अब आते हैं word पे. तो whatever person, place, animal or things do is called verb. For example, I am dancing. So in this sentence I am dancing is a verb. In this sentence Ram is playing game. Playing is verb. And this is also verb, but it is helping verb. Is this helping verb. And playing is verb. It is called also main verb. Okay. Now conjunction. Conjunction is a joining word which joins two sentence or two words, two nouns. ठीक है, two nouns, two words, two sentence को जो ज्वाइन करता है वो कंजक्शन कहलाता है. अब इसी में हम देखते हैं आपके एग्जाम्पल में the TV and fell into the pit and it cried frantically. Have that the pit और it को ज्वाइन कौन कर रहा है? and हमारा क्या हो गया? कंजक्शन. And the last one is interjection. Interjection क्या करता है? एक्सप्रेस करता है हमारे सडन फीलिंग्स को, लाइक एंगर, हैप्पीनेस, गुस्सा हो गया, हैप्पीनेस हुआ, या फिर हमारी जो क्या होता है दुख होता है उसको जो व्यक्त करता है वो हमारा होता है इंटरजेक्शन. अब इसी में आते हैं the tea